Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Simplified Electronics. So today in this lecture we will be discussing about switch mode power supply, and I will be guiding you on how to calculate the values of components that you will need for designing your device. So please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It helps the channel grow. So what is switch mode power supply? Switch mode power supply basically is different from the linear power supply, in which it produces high frequency, right? The linear power supply, the frequency that you get is 50 Hz because the transformer is big. So the smaller the transformer size, the higher the frequency, and the big transformer, the lesser the frequency. So this is just the advantage of switch mode power supply. It utilizes a smaller transformer, which increases the frequency and also which makes it to be more efficient, unlike the linear power supply, which uses a bigger transformer. So for the switch mode power supply, you can find the design in almost every converter that you find, like AC to DC converter, DC to DC converter. You can also find it in desktop. If you are aware, the power pack that desktop use, you can also find the switch mode power supply in the desktop. And the joy of it is that once you know how to design your own switch mode power supply, then you can be able to troubleshoot any switch mode power supply device that you find, because knowing how to design your own gives you an upper edge in being able to rectify any issue that a switch mode power supply device has. So yes, so what are the topology of switch mode power supply? We know of the post box converter, we know of flyback, we know of many of them. So for this particular lecture, we would limit ourselves to calculations. I will show you guys the useful formulas that you will need for the design. So please subscribe to the channel, please, for the growth of the channel. We need it more. So I'll be waiting for you guys. I will expect you guys to be in the next video, in which I'm going to show you guys how to calculate for various component values that you will use for your device. And also we are also going to create our own PCB board, so please stick around because it's going to be exciting and you don't want to miss it. Until next time, see you.